Hey, welcome to my first ever YouTube channel. My name is Jamie, I'm the senior sous chef at Glasgow's Le Bon Auberge. I hope you're all safe and well. In this series we're going to be working through some really simple recipes designed around homeschooling and the basics. So here's my take on a grilled cheese sandwich. 2 slices of white bread, I've got some sliced Emmental cheese, I've got some country style sliced ham, a little bit of grated Gruyere, some mayonnaise, some butter, some eggs and some whole grain mustard. So first things first, I'm going to butter the bread. The difference in what I'm doing here to what I do at Le Bon Auberge is I'm changing a herb mustard for whole grain mustard because I can't get hold of that. Once I've done that, I'm going to take some mayonnaise. I'm going to mayonnaise one side, some of the whole grain mustard on our cheese. Make sure you cover it. Bit of salt, some pepper, and then more cheese. A wee sprinkle of cheddar, and then give that a little press down, and then we're ready for the little twist at the end. So what we're going to do, we're going to break 2 eggs. And now we're ready for the pan. So the next step we're going to add in about a tablespoonful of oil, and then we're just going to dip the sandwich into our egg wash. So we're effectively making a cheese and ham sandwich using French toast. So when it goes, it's giving it a little press down. So we've got the pan on a sort of medium heat, and what we're going to do is we're going to let it cook for roughly a minute, minute and a half each side, flipping it over maybe 3, 4, even 5 times. So you can see the cheese is starting to melt. So now we're going to add our cheese. Another little sprinkle of pepper and some salt. Thanks for taking time to watch my video. If you like that, you need to hit that like button. And if you want to see more recipes, you've got to smash that subscribe as well. Thanks.